Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Befriend English. Here I am again with my video on contractions यानी कि short forms. Short में verbs कैसे लिखते हैं as well as कैसे pronounce करते हैं. So let us start. Our first contraction is for did not. Did not. Did not का short form में हम लिखते हैं didn't. इसको pronounce करते हैं didn't. Did not. The same like not को हम जिस तरह से contraction लिखते हैं o हटा के एपिस्ट्रॉफी लगाया हुआ है और इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं didn't. Was not, wasn't. Was not, wasn't. Were not, weren't. Were not, weren't. We weren't going there. We weren't playing. Weren't. I will. I will को शॉर्ट में लिखते हैं I'll. I W हटा के एपिस्ट्रॉफी और डबल L और इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं I'll. I will. I'll. I'll go to market today. इसको जब हम रनिंग में बोलते हैं सेंटेंस में पूरा बोलते हैं I'll go to the market today. Will not. Will not का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है won't. WON एपिस्ट्रॉफी एंड T और इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं won't. I won't give him my pen. I won't. Had not, hadn't. Had not, hadn't. I would, I would. I would. Would का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन होता है WOUL ये पूरा हटा के I के साथ ये एपिस्ट्रॉफी लगाया हुआ है एंड D. तो I would, you would, he would, she would, the same. WOUL पूरा हटा के एपिस्ट्रॉफी और फिर D लगाते हैं. I would like to और इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं जब पूरा रनिंग में सेंटेंस बोलते हैं तो इस तरह से I would like to have a cup of tea. Would you like to have a cup of tea? The same. Cannot. Cannot का contraction again the same. CAN और ये NO पूरा ही हटा देते हैं क्योंकि ऑलरेडी एक N है यहाँ पे एपिस्ट्रॉफी के साथ T और इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं can't. I can do that. Could not, couldn't. Could not, couldn't. Oh, I couldn't meet him. Couldn't. Should not, shouldn't. You shouldn't be so rude. Might have, might have. Have का सेम जो हम लास्ट वीडियो में देख चुके हैं have का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन इस तरह से HA हटा के एपिस्ट्रॉफी के साथ VE लगाया हुआ है might have और इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं might have. He might have gone from there. Might have. So that's it for today, friends. Keep watching my videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.